Ali Tizro, you're live on Martyn Lucas Investor. Good afternoon. Welcome to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Martyn. What a day. What an amazing day. Everything green, everything crypto's up, stocks are up. Happy days.
It's great, isn't it? We do love this. We do love it. What do you think? I said the bottom was December. Do you think that was the bottom? And remember, most times we predict a bottom, we won't know for 6 months. Was it a bottom? Is there a new low to be set? Of course, we're going to get some red days, some down days. But what do you think? Do you think we've seen the bottom in December, or we've got a new bottom to make? What do you reckon, Ali?
It's very hard to make a prediction like that. I mean, if you're asking me,
well, I'm asking you to.
If you're asking me, I would say we're either going to see a new bottom or we're going to revisit the bottom. You put a double bottom in place, or we're going to go lower. That's my personal thoughts.
That was a very political answer. That was. You sound like a politician. That was a very safe answer. We're either going to hit the bottom. It either was the bottom, or we're going to revisit it. So he's covered two bases. I like that.
Well, it's very, very hard to tell. I mean, very interesting from Fed Chairman Powell today. I mean, he said a couple interesting things. Market reacted positively, I guess. He said they're going to need to basically raise the debt ceiling. That was very interesting. He also said
that means printing money, right?
Basically, yeah. I mean, he's saying he's saying that they're going to need to raise it, otherwise there's going to be a massive market crash if they don't. He's saying that he alluded to a recession coming. He also basically said that there's not going to be a major pivot, as in terms of he's not going to be lowering the interest rate. I think the issue here is now we're at such a high interest rate, and we're probably going to see a couple more. He said we're probably going to see a couple more. The market hasn't actually priced a couple more 0.25s in. If we see a couple more and then we hold it, that's where the real pain is going to come, when we're at these high interest rates for months and months. Right now, we're slowly going up, but we haven't been at these for months and months and months. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if a recession comes, or if we're in a recession now. That's why I'm saying we could revisit this low and go lower. But in any case, we trade the market day by day. So yesterday, I made some crypto purchases. Yesterday, I posted it to my Discord channel. It's not. I mean, everyone's asking me about this 1,000 to 10,000. Why are we not buying? Why are we not buying? Because I want to explain that the 1K to 10K portfolio, the 7,000 to 100,000 portfolio I have on my Discord, that's a long-term portfolio. That's what we're going to be holding into 2024, 2025. We want to find the best prices possible. Crypto doesn't go up in a straight line. It's going to come back down. We'll buy at better prices. But that's not all the Discord's about. I bought crypto yesterday, and I'm very up on it now. I had some long positions. I've closed now. There's a lot of things on the Discord. So when everyone's asking me, when are we going to buy this? Why have you not started? Why is Martyn's just in cash? It's because that's our long-term portfolio. That's if you want to call it safe. That's our safe portfolio. Nothing's safe in crypto, of course, but that's our long-term portfolio.
You're taking care of me, Ali, right?
Of course. We don't want to lose it all of the same. But yeah, that's our long-term portfolio. There's a lot of different trades we do. I bought 15 different cryptocurrencies yesterday, and I'm 20% up on them. So this high interest rate. Oh yeah. This is sick. Is saying the same. Saying that high interest rate environment hasn't filtered through the economy yet. I completely agree. This is the beginning. We're going to be in this high interest rate environment for the whole year. Maybe these earnings are good for this time around. Let's see what they're like next time around. We're still in a bear market. We're not making any higher highs. We can't say we've bottomed. So we'll see how it goes. We'll take profits if we go up, and we'll keep our strategy. We'll keep a clear head this year. We can't just FOMO into stuff. We have to be level-headed in the way the markets are now. A recession could be coming. We could be in a recession. There's interest rate hikes. We just need to keep level-headed. That's my opinions. I mean, we can see everything's going up. Tesla's back at 182. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. I mean,
yeah.
I'm not saying I didn't think it was going to happen. Me and you bought Tesla back at 105, 110. If I'm talking personally, I bought if I can show you a chart.
And
I bought Tesla.
Let me put the chart on the screen before I share that chart.
Yeah.
I just want to show this one here. This is very telling of manipulation, right? Look at this, guys. Yesterday, the SoFi CEO said they're expecting 2 rate hike cuts. 2 rate hike cuts this year, and people have believed that. And look at this today. SoFi is up 7.2% on rate hikes, cuts that are definitely 100% not going to happen. There's not going to be 2 rate hike cuts this year, and that is what's fueling a 7.14 right now pump on this stock. Absolutely insane. So it's great to see your portfolio going up. I'm thrilled to bits. I mean, my portfolio is so strong this year, and remember, I've got no margin pumping it. So this is not like a false pump. This is the real deal. This is just cash on itself. And in fact, I've got $1,200 out of it at the moment, so I would be up even more. I am not buying anything. I repeat, I am not buying. I'm already in. I've already bought the dips. You don't buy the pumps. For God's sake, don't feel that this is it. FOMO, I've got to buy everything. It's all going up, because you'll get caught. We've all made those mistakes. You should have been. If you follow this show every day, you will know when we're buying in, when the dips are coming. Now enjoy it going up and maybe trim like I trimmed yesterday, but don't suddenly jump on the bandwagon and think, right, I'm going to buy all these prices. And I think one of the worst things you could buy, not only is SoFi, but Tesla. I think this is a terrifyingly high price right now. But again, that's what this stock does. And I'll share. Let's go to Ali's chart. If we're going to talk about Tesla, let's talk about Tesla. What do you think of this? This is insane, isn't it?
I mean, it's crazy. I mean, this is what the markets are about. They are crazy at times. I mean, if I just go through a couple of trades we've made in the last 2 weeks, we bought Tesla at 105. 105 we bought Tesla. We sold Tesla at 155. 50% increase, we sold it. Great. We shorted Tesla at 179, took profits at 165. But that's perfect. I'm not in Tesla right now, but if someone's asking me what do I think Tesla's going to do, it can shoot up to 208. Tesla's in the mind of its own. It can do whatever it wants. But once again, I do not think Tesla is going to perform brilliant this year. I don't think a lot of stocks are going to perform brilliantly this year. I think these interest rate hikes, the effect is yet to be seen. I can't think anything's going to go up a straight line yet. We're going to at least revisit some lows. So I'll be really careful buying now. If you've got, I've said to people, when people ask me, oh, shall I sell my crypto because you haven't bought anything in your 1K to 10K yet? I said, no. If you want your crypto, keep it on the side. You yourself have your Bitcoin in your ledger. I never told you to sell that, and that's been going up. I haven't sold my personal Bitcoin and XRP, but I'm leaving cash on the side. I mean, 75% of my cash right now is on the side. I'm only 25% in the markets. So there's a lot of trades to be made during this bear market. I mean,